In this video, we'll be looking at percentage composition in stoichiometry. Percentage composition is very important and is very useful. It helps us identify the percentage of a certain element in a compound. That's what percentage composition means. You have, suppose, you have your food or you have your salad. It's different, made a different percentage of your different ingredients. Similarly, in chemistry, we have compounds made of different things of different percentages. One of the applications of percentage composition would be in checking the purity of gold. You have 24 karat gold, 18 karat gold. They're all different purity levels of gold. Now let's learn how to find percentage composition with an example of water. First, to find out the percentage composition, we can find out the percentage composition of the two elements that water is made of. Water chemical formula is H2O. We can find out the percentage composition of hydrogen, percentage composition of hydrogen, and we can find out percentage composition of oxygen. We'll do both of these. First, we need to find out the molar mass of H2O. Oxygen is 16, you should know this by now. Hydrogen is 1. So 1 into 2 plus 16, that will give you 18. H2O is 18. Or if you don't know, it's fine. You can look at the periodic table. Oxygen 16, hydrogen 1. So 2 hydrogen 2. So 2 hydrogen will have 2, right? And then oxygen 16. 16 plus 2 is 18. Now, we need to get the individual masses of oxygen and hydrogen. Hydrogen is 1, but we have 2 hydrogen, so you have 2. And then oxygen, we only have 1 oxygen, that's 16. And then we just have to divide this value by the molar mass of water and multiply it by 100. So 2 by 18 into 100 will give you a percentage of 11.11 percentage. And then you have percentage composition of oxygen, that is 88.88%. Let's solve more questions like this for practice. Find the percentage of carbon. I'll write down the question. Find the percentage of carbon in C6, H12, and O6. So first we need to find the mass of hydrogen. We're finding carbon, sorry. We need to find the mass of C6. We have 6 carbon, so carbon is 12. So 12 into 6, that will give you 72. C6 is 72. So your numerator is 72. We need to find out our denominator now. And then now we need the denominator, which is the entire molar mass of this compound. We already know 72 for C6, so 72 plus hydrogen is 1, so 1 into 12, 12. Oxygen is 16, so if you take 16 into 6, that's 96. If you add all these values, you get 180 grams per mole. So 72 by 180 into 100, that's 40%. The percentage of carbon in this compound is 40%. Now, let's look at another question. Suppose we are asked to find the percentage of H in Cu, C2, H3, O2, 2. This is your compound. We need to look at the total number of hydrogen atoms in the compound first. Inside the brackets we have 3, but then inside the brackets we have this polyatomic ion, which is the acetate ion. There is 2 of the acetate ions. There is 2 as a subscript on the outside. 2 as a subscript on the outside. So if that, so all you have to do is 3 hydrogen into 2. 3 into 2 is 6. So you have 6 hydrogen, 6H. So since hydrogen's molar mass is, atomic mass is 1, you will have 6. The value is 6. Your numerator is 6. 6 divided by something into 100 will give you your answer. So we need to find the molar mass of this entire compound. That is cupric acetate. If you do all the calculation, you will get 181.63. I'm not doing it now because we have done it too many times. You should try doing it yourself. It's easy. So 6 by 181.63 into 100. That gives you the percentage as 3.30, or you can say 3.3 percentage. That's the composition. What if I asked you to find how many grams of hydrogen are present in 112 grams of cupric acetate? How many grams of hydrogen in 112 grams? How many grams of hydrogen is present 112 grams of cupric acetate? In such cases, all you have to do is divide the percentage you got by 100 and multiply it with the grams of the compound. That's basically 3.3 divided by 100 into 112. It's basically you're saying take the 100% of take the 1% of 112 and multiply it by 3.3 to find the 3.3%. You can write it this way or this way, it doesn't matter. At last you're finding the 3.3 percentage of 112 grams. That is 3.696 grams GMS. So 3.696 grams is 3.3 percentage of 112 grams. This is all for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel, like the video and comment down your thoughts and doubts.